5 things that you need to know before installing solar on your roof.
Number 1. Roof condition. Before you install solar on your roof, knowing the condition of your roof is crucial to installing solar. It can help ensure that your roof is in good condition and capable of supporting the weight of the solar panels. Number 2. Roof orientation and angle. Whether or not your roof is facing the sun can play a huge role in the efficiency of your solar panels. Not only the angle, but also you have to consider the shading from the surrounding trees, buildings, and other obstacles that could also reduce the amount of sunlight your panels receive. Number 3. Cleaning your solar panels. Often neglected, solar panels do require cleaning in order to not lose efficiency. Dirt, dust, and grime can accumulate on the solar panels over time, reducing their ability to absorb sunlight and generate electricity. Number 4. Tax incentives. Knowing the tax incentives before installing solar panels can significantly reduce the cost of installation and increase the financial benefits of switching to solar energy. Number 5. Building codes and permits. Knowing the building codes and permits required before installing solar panels is very important. It helps ensure that the installation is done safely and in compliance with local regulations. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this.